Hello, I'm KillerBong.
General quarters.
And this is ranked, and this is my mission to get higher rank because I'm sick of, you know, when the score screen comes up and you see everyone's rank. I had very low rank. Anyway, no DDs. We're all heading to B, so I'm playing Destroyer here.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
T. I had such a good day playing this. I've been a lot busy lately, so I haven't played like 2 weeks maybe. I haven't played in 2 weeks, so please excuse my aiming for the first few. Yes, firing AP on a New York. Let's see if it does anything. Nope. Here comes the pain. Now we're 4 cruisers against 1 New York. I feel like staying in the background of this fight. Such a good song. It's Burial and Fortet. Moth. So good. It's often Burial in my videos nowadays. Now let's fire on this New York. It's soft enough and it has closer targets, so I will be free to shoot at it. There we go. Let's hunt these guys. Wow, almost 6 minutes have gone and I've done nothing. Only shot 10 shells. I hit 10 shells. I bet I shot 100 already. This is the first time I'm shooting at the Marblehead, I think. Pretty sure it is. Hello, Nuremberg. Are you heading this way? If you come around this island, let's give you some torpedoes to chew on. But first, let's turn and run away. Yeah, that's good. That's good spread. Hello, Nuremberg. Maybe that's the first time I got hit by a Marblehead. And it got deleted. It's just that Fuso, right? Within range. Okay, let's go there. You're mine, Rod King! Today, I can tell you a little story while we wait on me getting there. Today I will get my hands dirty. I'm gonna fix a moped. It has some broken parts. I'm gonna screw them out and replace them as best as I can. I took the battery out yesterday and put it on charge, and now, like 16 hours later, it only has 7 volts of charge. I think that battery is dead. I will have to buy a new one. You don't know this about me, but I like screwing with cars and mopeds and stuff like that. Just get my hands dirty, remove some screws with a spanner, stuff like that. It's interesting. Anyway, let's get back to the game. Hello, Marblehead. Let's see if I can hit you. Nope. Everything I do in this game happens the last 3 seconds anyway, so... Fuck that island. I wish they put in like so the vegetation on islands could like burn big fire, or like craters on the islands. That would be good. Oh yeah, this is recorded in game, I guess, maybe? No, that's next game. This is still a replay. Whatever. Huh? What's that sound? One of my friends is shooting at me to get my attention? Yeah, shots definitely... Oh. There's something over there. What's that? It has to be a cruiser that shoots that many bullets. Here I can't even decide if I want to go around the island or if I want to stay here, but I'll go around. This Fuso is heading around the island, so let's put shots on you. I'm on fire, but I don't know if that Fuso is gonna shoot at me, so I don't take my repair kit. Fuso dead, Nuremberg dead, double strike, rank 16, and only 20,000 damage. Look at that, that's only my second double strike. Can't even remember when I had the first one. Bad scores. I got lucky there with all the damage I took. And let's see credits. Alright. Yep, that's good. See you guys next time. Give it a like and a thumbs if you liked it, and bye bye.